It's like early Christmas, you know?
Did you give me cheese? This is perfect.
Hi.
Hi, Belinda.
It's nice to have this video chat with you.
Yes, really good to see you. Oh, I also get something. Thank you. I got it here. Opening the box right now. Oh, this is perfect. It's a coloring book.
When I started to do this, I feel like I was one of the first, like on the tennis to kind of color. You know, it felt like a little bit weird because you feel like you are like small kid, you know, like with your pencils and just coloring. So everyone was like looking at me weird. But now more and more I can see that it's actually really used for meditation and for like calming down. And so now I went to the own physios we have on the tournament, and they have now a corner with this mandalas and like to coloring, and they're saying, oh yeah, it's helping a lot. We have like shown a study, like it's calming down before the matches, and whenever you feel like nervous or something, you can do this. So I was like, oh, okay. Maybe I was a little bit of a trendsetter here.
Nice. I know that there's been studies that show that when you're on your phone or just also your computer to watch series, TV shows, it's not really good for the brain because it's going to get lazy, and this is not going to make it lazy. So it's really good preparation. I see you. How do you actually call those?
It's called sweatbands. Then of course I know that you are not, you know, wearing sweatbands so much, but in tennis you kind of need it because all the sweat goes down your hand, and then you cannot hold the racket and just, you know, to...
Sometimes I go to run and I don't know where to put keys, and I see that you put something here. This is perfect, so I don't have it in a pocket or so. And also I have to say thank you for the encouragement with the Go Ayla. This is
Maybe you can play tennis more often with me now.
This is my gift.
Yes, I always have avocado toast with poached egg. So this is an egg poacher.
Yes, it's just good proteins for getting ready for training or the competition. And I have to admit, I tried to do poached eggs a couple of times. You see all these techniques also with making the water turn.
Yes.
I tried and it was a mess.
Yes, exactly the same. It's really hard to get it right. But I hope with this tool you can kind of, you know, make it easier, and also it's really a nice like balanced diet with a lot of energy as well.
I cannot wait to finally have my first poached eggs made by me.
I'm really happy that you like my gifts.
I love them all, and I'm gonna use them 100%. Hi Belinda, I just wanted to thank you again for the gifts that you gave me. And right now I'm coloring, and I really like your book. Thank you very much for your gifts.